On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram will restrict certain activity problems. So all what you wanna do guys to fix this problem is so easy. There is actually 3 ways as I said. The first way is you have to open your Instagram and then go to your profile, open the settings here, click on settings, click on the help option, click on report a problem, click on report problem without checking, and now on this page you will have to report the problem that you have easily and fast with a photo or a screenshot. The second way is you have to update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. And the last thing or the last solution, which is you have just to turn off the Wi-Fi or change the network that you are connected to. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.